right back in the arm. I'm scarred, but I left my mark. My friend got cleaned and OD. Life is just that dark.
Ready.
Bleeds right back in the arm. I'm scarred, but I left my mark. My friend got cleaned and OD. Life is just that dark. But life is just that bright. And when the sunset shines, I seen the crafty rice. I'm back tonight. I'm set to light. In honor of the past I write. I'm wide open with no glass of wine. Stuck in the barrel, I'll get better with time. Or you measure how the pleasure declines. I'm stacking cheddar while the bread just rise. With my eyes and my ears glued here on my grind. Cuddy, creeping on the come up. Sleeping till the sun's up. Tell the secrets to the drum dumps. Pledge allegiance to the blood term. Till I lose my last leader, here's my one love. And all these angels got their guns up. But no fear when my teeth and my tongue touch. I am here and I speak for the young bloods who've seen the flood and they drug all the angels up. Set sail through the world in the name of trust. Hard work and the crux that it made in us. I'm about to bust on my veins full of gold dust. The 1985 California gold rush. In the spine plus the flesh that it holds up. I'm out.